Internet, hello. Hi everyone, I'm Christina Wong. Some of you are watching this video because you're hate watching me, because you want me to say something very political that you can thumbs down, and you're welcome to do that. But for the rest of you, you're watching because this is an unboxing video. And I had a very long week. I turned in a script that was due today that had been weighing on me for months in support of garment workers. It's a organization that works with garment workers that hired me to write a viral video. So I've spent weeks studying the horrible conditions in which our clothing is manufactured overseas. And somehow I got suckered in, after watching a lot of videos, by the Goodwill Blue Box. So this is maybe one way to be a little bit more sustainable. The other is to just not buy anything and just wear the same thing over and over again. But basically, this is all the good stuff from Goodwill that is on its way to the outlet, but is still so good that they put it in here. It sells out super fast. I had put a medium-sized box and a large box in a shopping cart, and then I was trying to put in my credit card information, and the large had sold out. So I bought 2 medium boxes. Only one box has arrived, so either there are 12 items in this box or 24 items in this one box, though this feels kind of light to be 24 items. And anyway, I am just so floored because I hit 2 big deadlines in 2 weeks, and I was just like, what do I do with myself when I'm not constantly stressed out by this thing that's undone? I know, fill my house with shit. So I thought I would unbox this with you. This is my life now. But here it is. It's oh, I guess they put all items in. Ooh, it says there are 2 items, 2 boxes. So I paid $47.97 for this, for 2 boxes. So it comes out to a couple bucks a piece. So let's see what's in here. I ordered this in my size, not necessarily to resell this, but because it's summer, and I realize for as much garbage as I own, I don't own basic, a cotton flowy dress and stuff like that. Either because I gave it away or I sold it at one point. So I'm hoping to find some fun stuff for me. So let's see what we have in the Goodwill Blue Box in size medium. So the first thing is Kate and Mallory. It is this Boho Cardigan. So when I've been watching videos of these unboxings, I haven't been totally impressed with what I've seen, but I am very intrigued. I'm very intrigued about what I would get. So this is in great condition. It's I'm not very much a boho person, but I might wear this a few times before I send it back out onto the planet. Okay. We have this. We have a Forever 21 pant. So these are not the most impressive brands, but sweatpants. Forever 21. Are these medium? Yeah, these are medium. Medium and Forever 21 is XXS on me. It's and something is happening now that I'm in my 40s. Yes, I'm in my 40s. My ass is just getting so big, you guys. It is just busting. I actually broke open my pants at the bus stop a few weeks ago, and a lady tapped me on the shoulder and was like, excuse me, I know the difference between a hooker and someone who's not trying to show their ass on purpose, and you don't look like a hooker. And I was like, there's nothing wrong with being a hooker, but yes, my ass is broken out of my pants. Okay, cool. Speed limit. I already know that this was a big mistake to buy this box. What is this brand? This is sort of summery top. So far, so wah. So I've got some Forever 21 sweatpants. Oh, is this a matching? This looks like the exact same top. Oh, it's very similar to the last top. This is top by San Francisco Inn. So this is a nice little blouse. So some of these things I could see myself maybe wearing once. And then passing it along, I think the goal is to find something to wear tomorrow. I'm going to Obon Festival tomorrow. This is not that good, you guys. This is exhilaration. I knew this when I was watching these. I was like, all these people opening these boxes are taking one for the team. Why am I buying these? But it's crazy how fast it sells out. And they send an email that's like, at 3 p.m., we're going on sale. And it's like, boom, going like that. Uh-oh. This is a buyer skirt. That's kind of cute. Maybe I'll wear that. So tomorrow, Obon Festival, that's the Japanese, I'm not Japanese, if you're desperately wondering. It's a festival to send off your ancestors. But it's really fun to go to because there's dancing and there's food and games. So I think it'd be nice to find something to wear. Here's a Liz Claiborne. This is really disappointing. Cardi B. Okay. Oh God. Why did I do this? This is like how I was going to treat myself as hoarding. Oh, Gap. Gap is not a very good reseller, but I could just use another. They don't smell so bad. These are from the Gulf states, so I was thinking, okay, Florida retirees. Let's see what they're leaving before they die. Joe Fresh. So far, so meh. The Joe Fresh shirt. Not that impressed. This, oh come on. Now I feel like they're just pulling shit off. English Rose. They're just pulling shit off the shelves and trying to, I can pick for better stuff than this. This is really sad. This little cowboy shirt. This is not feeling it. Not feeling it. Hi, do you have money to blow? Let's see, Express. Express is like the worst brand to resell. This is a modestly used wristlet. Oof, this is rough. Charlotte Russe, this is really bad, you guys. Oh look, it's got built-in. Maybe I'll wear this tomorrow. I have been thinking I need another pair of pants since my ass keeps ripping out of my pants so big. Maybe this is what I'll wear tomorrow. I got a fellowship called the Sherwood Fellowship for Theater, which you couldn't tell from how much I love hoarding. And I'm speaking to people applying for it this year. So maybe that'll be my outfit, my little harem pant outfit. These are really terrible brands. Okay, Marshalls. Oh, there's a Michael Kors label. MSRP, $110. This is a Michael Kors sleeve open thing. So this is a nice brand and it's brand new with tags. However, it's really ugly. Oh my God, this is terrible. This is terrible, you guys. I was looking forward to this all week. I was thinking just the high of opening a box full of stuff and none of it is nice. It's all crap. This looks like it could be potential. What are you? This is a New York and Company blouse. Yuck. No. So far, the only thing I see that's, what is this? Style & Co. These are terrible. Ugh. Why didn't I learn my lesson from everyone else opening a box? These are so terrible. They also do this thing of like, if you shout us out on Instagram and what you got, we'll give you a discount. Like, no, I'm not feeling it. All right. Okay, here's Vodka Trump. Oh, why? If I wear this, I'll just imagine that my father wants to have sex with me. And by my father, I mean Donald Trump. Oh boy, this is Teachy. Chi-chi-chi-chi, so one shoulder strap situation we got here. This is so sucky. This stuff sucks. Oh, t-shirt, a polo shirt, Elliott Lauren. What is this? Long sleeve shirt. Ugh. Clear out your closet and bring it to mine. This is really, none of this. LuLaRoe, yes. What dreams are made of. This is actually a decent skirt. It's not in that gross, stretchy, chillaxing fabric that they have. But this is a little, might be able. The thing is, like, I bought a medium and a large. I don't think I'm a medium anymore, but the large is sold out. So I was like, well, let's see if I can squeeze into some mediums. What are you? What is happening here? Hi, I'm in jail. I'm a hologram. I'm an optical illusion. This is so sad. I have one more. Let's see if we'll redeem ourselves here. God, I don't even know if I get my money back if I try to sell Ann Taylor Loft career skirt. Well, that, and it has a little rip in the back. Like these tend to split up that, and I don't feel like anyone wears these anymore. Like you literally have to have the most corporate of jobs. Anyway, that's how I rewarded myself at the end of a week of really hard work. That's it. I'm getting out of this. I gotta now I'm gonna watch Marie Kondo and clean up. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe, and hopefully we'll do better next time. Bye, guys.